Good morning, beautiful gurus, and welcome to another episode. Big congratulations to you all. Bitcoin massively pumping, Ethereum massively pumping. Congratulations to all of your trades, all of your gains. There's 3,000 people in the Telegram making huge amounts of money. I'm going to show you that in this video. I'm going to be buying $100,000 worth of Bitcoin here. If we break through this resistance that I talked about yesterday, we got rejected off at hard at 22,800. If we break through that, we've got no major resistance to 30K, and then that will be the moment of truth. But that's still another 25% pump, which is beautiful. I made a lot of money the last few days if you've been following my channel, and a lot of you have as well. I love you all. Congratulations. Enjoy it. Give back 10% of the gains that you make per day to charity. If you see an old lady on the street that needs help, give her. If you made $100,000, you give her $10,000. If you had $1 million and you went up 10% yesterday and you made $100,000, give someone $100,000. I know it sounds weird, but if you do this, if you start giving 10% of the money that you make per day, you'll get 10%, you'll start seeing exponential growth in your money. Like abundance will flood to you. So really use that money to help people. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Every video that you hit that like button, we grow and I can help more people. And congratulations to all of you. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin now. And look at this pump. We had a big rejection. Exactly. So this is what you're looking at here is the price of Bitcoin moving over time. If you're new to the channel, Bitcoin having that big drop and then consolidating in this channel. Now, why this channel is very important is yesterday we got rejected exactly off the channel. Look how close. I'll show you when I zoom into the 15 minutes. You can literally see that about like 8 hours ago, we perfectly got rejected off this channel. And we just did again now. So we got here, we came close, got rejected, and then we came again and we got big rejection off it again. But it made a higher low and the volume is increasing. FOMO is coming in. Now, this point is super important here. We're at a major resistance. We need to get through this. Look at that. It literally touched my line that I've been having there. If you've been following my videos, this line has been there for weeks. It literally touched it just a few minutes ago and bounced off it. That's how accurate technical analysis is. And that's why we're making so much gains. And again, big congratulations to all of you. We got rejected there. We're building pressure within this channel. And in my opinion, we're creating a huge W formation that's about to break out on Bitcoin and take us on a very long, strong ride. Again, if we break this bear flag, it means the bottom is in, everyone. If we break this bear flag and that bear flag doesn't play out, this one here, which usually drops to the bottom to 12K. And I don't think it's going to anymore. Why? Because there's so many people that have orders now. You've seen my channel. I've got orders 17,000, 15,000, 14,000, 12,000. And so many people have those orders just sitting all the way down there that I don't think that Bitcoin can't come down anymore. A lot of people are going to FOMO their money back. I think big pumps are coming for Bitcoin right now. And once we break through, if we break through that bear flag, if we can break above it, which we're very close to doing, got rejected again, but that's the second rejection very quick. If we break above it, turn up and head up, there's no major resistance to that 30K. And that 30K is very important because when you zoom out, you can see what this 30K is. This 30K is the downtrend line going back to May 11th when I called the day of the top. And I have already called the bottom in my opinion. The day of the top was 11th of November and you can see that we've been coming down this trend line since. And if we break out here, there's no major resistance on this trend line until around 30,000, 29,000. So this will be a huge movement for Bitcoin if we can get through here. And in my opinion, we're going to get through here. On the daily, stochastic is heading up very strongly. RSI is, I want to be very accurate here because I'm going to make some big buys. RSI is heading up very strongly. Squeeze mob is going to the green. Stochastic is pumping. We're going up here on the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, we're overbought on the stochastic. We're overbought on the stochastic, but it's just resetting. But look at this volume coming in. And this is one of the most important things. Before the volume would come in, you could see here when the price of Bitcoin dropped. That's when we had volume. But no more. For the last few weeks, I've been turning very bullish on Bitcoin and buying a lot of it. Because every time we had the volume was coming on the pumps. Look at this volume. We've had almost all-time high volume. Since that capitulation candle, we've had almost all-time high volume the last few days. And it's during the pumps. And you can see here again, when we had a pump, we had big volume. So the volume now is coming when we have these big pumps. So in my opinion, Bitcoin is now, its trajectory has changed. And this is what I talk about, everyone. That's so important by following my channel. If you've been following my channel for 2.5 years, you know how much gains we have. Why? Because we're trading, when Bitcoin goes up, we were selling the top at 69K. We caught the day of the top, but we're trading at that top, selling most of our portfolio. Then we were trading as we came down. And then we've been buying and trading on the bottom, but accumulating Bitcoin. And then Bitcoin moves up. But this is what you're seeing happen. And it's like this. Right? So you got to always keep in mind, over the years, it's like this, but always massively rising. And we're trading each of those movements up and down. So we're making huge gains. And that's what you're seeing now with the channel. So this W formation, if it breaks out on Bitcoin, we're going to have a huge movement. This distance here, this is going to be a big one, everyone. Bitcoin there's a lot of FOMO. If we can break out here, which I think is about to happen in the next few hours, there's going to be some huge FOMO and people are going to pile into Bitcoin. We got rejected off that channel yesterday, but then we should have gone down a lot lower. But then we like you can see here, we fully recovered it. We got rejected. Then about 6 hours ago, we dropped massively to 21,300. And that was a big buying opportunity for people because straight away it pumped back. And that means there's a lot of buying pressure, a lot of FOMO is coming in. And I think Bitcoin is going to explode right now to 30K. And if we break out here of this W formation, this is going to be taking us to 26,000 as the target. 26,000. So there's a really nice risk to reward ratio trade here. And I'm going to be adding a lot of Bitcoin. 26,588 will be the target if we break out here. On the 4 hourly, stochastic is turning to head up again. A lot of volume coming in. RSI is turning to head up again. Squeeze mob is going more to the green side. Squeeze mob is going more to the green side. Now let's check the RSI. If there's no divergences, it's looking good. It's matching what's happening. So there's going to be a big pump in Bitcoin. If you haven't, let's look on the hourly. On the hourly, we're turning up on the RSI very strongly. Stochastic as well. There's going to be a huge pump right now. It just got rejected off that channel. Let's see if on the daily we've switched to a buy. The daily hasn't changed since November 11th. On the Crypto Guru bot, which you get in the Crypto Masterclass. Look at this, everyone. Everyone, big congratulations. The Bitcoin indicator bot just flipped today to a buy. It hasn't turned to a buy since here in April 11th. April 18th, it said to sell at 41K and it's been red sell since. And the Bitcoin indicator, the Crypto Guru bot just fired a buy yesterday, everyone. It fired a buy yesterday. And this Bitcoin indicator bot on the daily is very accurate. Look at this, for example, the time that it fired a buy back here. It fired a buy on November 2020. It fired a blue buy and it went all the way from that to 65K. And we just had a buy fire right now. This is very good news, everyone. It's going to pump and I'm going to be buying Bitcoin. Now I'm going to show you my trades and then I'm going to show you all the gains my students have been making. There's so much to show you. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video in the description, if you've signed up to someone else's account, if you're trading on Binance, if you're trading on KuCoin, anything, go down below, sign up to Bybit. Even if you have a Bybit account already, sign up to this Bybit account using this link and join my trading team. Move your money from another Bybit account to this one. If you haven't signed up using this link, you get a $4,450 US dollar bonus when you sign up and deposit Bitcoin. Bybit is one of the best exchanges. Using this link down below to buy Bitcoin, altcoins, Solana, trade Bitcoin short, long, use this link down below in the video. Sign up, $4,450 bonus. And in the Telegram live alerts group, I'm going to show you the trades in a minute. Look at this. I said good morning. Telegram live alerts here. I said good morning to people just now. Good morning, my rich gurus. 54 comments in the last few minutes. I turn off Wi-Fi. 54 comments in the last few minutes. And look at everyone's gains. I asked people to share their gains inside this chat. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Everyone, join us in this Telegram group. I showed people my trades and I asked people to share their trades. Look at this, 240% on Bitcoin he has. This is just today. This student, 222% on Bitcoin. This student, showing Bitcoin's price. So these are some of the gains. There's much more of them. Let's look at here. This student up $427 on Matic. This student up $108. This student up 404% on Ethereum. This student 980% long on Ethereum, 539% on Ethereum. This student 104% on Ethereum. It's just mega gains all around inside this chat room, and there's just hundreds of people showing these. These are just the screenshots that I'm looking at in the chat. 104%. You can see like here I'll show you some of the screenshots of this. Look at the gains people have been having the last few days. 62%, 430%, 484%, 14% on Bitcoin, 40% on on Bitcoin, 55% on Ethereum, 297% on Ethereum, 92% on BNB. These are the gains my students are having inside this Telegram group. 55%, 311%, 389%. Big congratulations to all of you. Now, where would I open the trade? So go down below in this video on the description. Everyone do it now. Go down below in the description of this video, sign up to Bybit. You get a $4,450 bonus. Use that link. So if you have another account, if you signed up with anyone else's, use this link. Then you're going to go into this trading software. And I would be going long here on Bitcoin. If we can break out here, I would be going heavy long. So I'd open a long right where we are right now. Stop loss just beneath this area. And take profit at the target, 26,000. That's a 3.6 ratio trade, risking 1,100 to make 4,158. It's 3.6 ratio trade. So if you risk $10, you make $36. If you risk $1,000, $3,600. If you risk $100,000, $360,000. 3.6 ratio trade. So what's going to happen now is either Bitcoin is going to break out here. It's either going to break out, get rejected here, and then come back down to the bottom of the channel. And that's what we really don't want to see happen. This is very important that it doesn't happen. That we don't want to see Bitcoin get rejected here and go underneath this. So this is a bear flag. So if Bitcoin plays out in this bear flag, gets rejected, he comes down, we can really drop to 12K. It is very possible. That's what we don't want to see happen. But if Bitcoin right now breaks out here, if Bitcoin breaks above this channel, the bottom is in. If Bitcoin breaks above this channel, which it looks like it's doing because we have this big W formation, Bitcoin breaks above, retest 26,000, and then 30,000 will be the target. So huge movement. So this is the long that it would take. I would actually move the take profit to 30,000. So I'd risk, it's an amazing risk to reward ratio trade. I'd risk 1,100 to make $9,000 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that'll be $90,000 of profits. With 100x leverage, $900,000 of profits. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. So again, go down below in this video, sign up to Bybit to trade. In my Bybit account right now, I have 242,000, almost $241,991. 242,000 now, which is up around $80,000 in the last few days, which is beautiful. In here, I've got Bitcoin 3.7, Bitcoin $82,000 worth, USDT 62,000, and Solana 49,000. I'm going to be buying one more Bitcoin here because I think we're about to explode out of this. So I'm going to buy another Bitcoin, 22,000, boom. Let's see if the order executes. 22,000. Oh, Bitcoin pumped as soon as I clicked the buy. Okay, I'm going to just do a market buy, one Bitcoin. Buy at the current price. Look at it. As soon as I clicked it, it pumped. One Bitcoin. Market buy. Bitcoin long. No, I want to trade. So I'm going to do a market buy of one Bitcoin. So 22,400 and okay. Here, 22,000. Bitcoin USD long. What is? No, I don't want a long or short. I just want to be buying one Bitcoin. Limit order. Buying one Bitcoin at the current price. Buy, confirm. Let's see if Bitcoin pumping again before it confirms the trade. Execute it. So now I have 4.7 Bitcoin in 105,000. I've got 50,000 of Solana. I've got 40,000 of USDT. My Bitcoin trade is pumping $7,400 in the profits now. It's up 125%. Which is beautiful. So I used $5,964 to make $7,500. So I turned 5,900 to now 5,000 plus 7,000 is 12,000. So I turned $6,000 into almost $13,000 on this trade. It's a $53,000 Bitcoin trade. Around $7,000 in the profits, which is beautiful. My spot account is at 240,000. It's fluctuating a lot, and that's almost 240,000, up about $80,000 in the last few days. And over on Binance, I moved money in here. So in here, I have $507,000 US dollars, $501,000 US dollars. I've got in here 300,000 BUSD. I've got 7 Bitcoin, and I've got so I've got $157,000 of Bitcoin, $39,000 of Solana, and I'm going to be buying now I'm going to buy another Bitcoin in here. So I moved money in here to be buying more Bitcoin. So I'm going to add another Bitcoin at this price right now, BTC. Over on Binance, I'm going to buy one more Bitcoin here. Buy one Bitcoin at the current price. Wait, trade Bitcoin, because I've got BUSD. So BTC, BUSD. BTC, BUSD. I'm gonna buy 1 Bitcoin here. 202, 200, 195, 198. It's fluctuating a lot around here. 1 Bitcoin, buying, confirm. The order is there. It's starting to fill the order. The price is fluctuating a lot, so it's like swinging around a lot. Bitcoin, it's pumping right now. So I bought 1 more Bitcoin in here. Bitcoin is pumping, so it didn't execute. Okay, I'm gonna buy another Bitcoin at the current price, market order, because it's moving around too quick. So I'm gonna buy 1 Bitcoin right now. 1 BTC, buy, confirm, done. So I bought 1 Bitcoin in here, and I've got this order set to buy another one. So that means in here now I have 277,000 BUSD. I've got 108 Bitcoin, $181,000 of Bitcoin, and $39,000 of Solana. So Bitcoin is pumping here. So I'm just adding a lot of Bitcoin here. But again, the main time to go heavy Bitcoin long, see, we got rejected perfectly off that channel that I talked about. It was exactly off that channel it got rejected. So we really need to have, what is this line? So we really need now to break through here. This is a point that's very important to break through for Bitcoin. It got rejected very strongly again. Look, we got rejected here, we got rejected here. If it gets rejected hard, it can come down to 19,000. So this area is the point to break through. We either get rejected at the top of this channel, or we break out and we go to 26,000 and 30,000, or we get rejected and then we could be in this bearish case scenario where I say that this bear flag plays out to 12K. So it's very important that we break through here. In my opinion, we are going to break through here though. So those are my trades on Bitcoin. Those are my thoughts. Again, do your trading down below. Sign up to Bybit. Get that $4,450 bonus. Join our James New Live Telegram alerts group so you can see all these gains and join all the students in these massive gains. There's now in this group 3,100 people in here, which is beautiful, and just everyone making huge gains, which is amazing. Congratulations to all of you, everyone that's making gains. Good morning, Rich Gurus. 300 people seeing this now, and it's just amazing. So let's see what happens. Let's very hope that Bitcoin breaks through here. It needs to break through. It needs to break through 22,800. If it does, it's going to 26,000 and 30,000. It would be extremely bullish. If it gets rejected here, it's very dangerous. So this is a very, very important moment, everyone. Let's see if Bitcoin can break through. I think there's going to be a lot of FOMO now, and it's going to break through, in my opinion. That's why I've started to buy a lot. That's why I moved more money into buy here. And big congratulations, anyone that saw my video yesterday on Magicraft, because Magicraft is up 8% yesterday. It's sitting at 0.00165, up 8%, while it's now market cap 1.7 million, fully diluted, 16 million, volume 345,000. And Magicraft is the play to earn game that's going to be unbelievable. I've seen the game, everyone, and this game is one epic game. And you need to pay attention to MCRT. MCRT is the first real crypto game in the world. And this game is epic. The PC version is done in beta, but very well completed. The Android and iOS versions. And this is one epic PvP game that uses real MCRT in the game. I've played Diablo, Lineage 2, World of Warcraft, Counter-Strike, League of Legends, Dota, RuneScape. Every single game I've played and mastered, and this game I've created, and it's one of the best games ever. And MCRT is going to be the first real integration of crypto and gaming. 3 billion people play games, 300 billion a year industry, and now they're going to play it with MCRT inside the game. I can't wait to show you. We're going to be releasing footage of the gameplay soon, and it's epic. And as soon as the gaming tokens start having big bullish momentum. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. Congratulations to all of you, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.